Hello everyone, this is Case and today we're looking at the Creative Pebble 2.0 USB powered desktop speaker. I got this off Amazon for about $20. Let's see what's inside the box. It's wrapped. I got wrapped with some plastic bag. Let's see. Modern 2.0 USB desktop speaker. It looks modern for sure. It's supposed to be angled at 45 degrees for enhanced audio projection and impressive personal listening experience, whatever that means. So this is just a quick unboxing. Take a look at what's inside the box. This is sticky. Can't get it off. You would think they would make it easier, or like a frustration-free packaging. Here we go. Alright, what do we have here? Oh, what is this box? Is there like any cables or anything? Let's put that aside for a sec. Can't even figure out how to open it. There we go. Oh, it's just the manuals and warranty probably. That's the worldwide warranty. Cool. We'll put that aside for now. We don't need it. Come on. Alright. Let's see what we have here. Nothing else in the box. Let's throw it outside. Oop. So that's the USB. It's USB powered. I forgot to mention that. So you don't need like an external power source. You can just use your computer to power it. That's USB power, and that's a headphone jack. It definitely looks nice, but this plastic bubble wrapping around it is very annoying to get off. Okay, that's one. There's like a plastic thing on the speaker itself. Take that off too, and here's the other one. Oh, doesn't sit. Well, that's all what I got for you guys. If you like this video, please make sure to like it and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot. Till next time.